When I go into the schools and I talk to the students, I talk to the educators, I let them know that creativity is king. Creativity is the new gold. But you need visionaries to understand that. You cannot talk to people that have not created anything and expect them to understand what you're relaying to them unless they're visionaries. Right now, New York City is getting to build a mega studio. New Jersey with Netflix is launching a mega studio. Lionsgate is in Yonkers and they just expanded a couple of years back for their studio. Our students need to hear this. They need to know that the ideas that are in their heads can be life-changing. But we have so many people at the top that do not have any vision, do not understand creativity, and because they can't see themselves doing it, they don't think that their students can do it. We need to change that mindset, and we need to get these students pumping out those ideas that are in their heads because content is king.